Welcome everyone. In this lesson we'll learn how to do prime factorization. Prime factorization means expressing the number as a product of prime numbers. Okay, like in this case it will be 2 times 2 times 5, or I can simply write it as 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 5. And speaking of which, the prime number is simply a number that cannot be divided any further. That means I cannot break it down anymore. So let's get started with the first example, the number 60. And ask yourself, what times what gives me 60? Now here you might say, well, in this case I can simply say 6 times 10. There we go, it works. Or some of you might say, well, it's actually 2 times 30. In both cases your work will be correct at the very end. It doesn't matter how you start. So let's take 2 times 30. Okay, here the 2, I don't have any 2 numbers that I multiply give me 2. Well, some of you will say, well, hold on, I can do 1 times 2. Well, you're correct, I'm not saying you're wrong, but technically here you're not breaking down the number, you're simply repeating it. So, as soon as I found a prime number, I simply circle it and note it down as a prime number. I cannot break it down and I continue on the other parts. Here we have 30, I can simply say 3 times 10 or 6 times 5, it doesn't matter. 3 here is a prime number, I cannot break it down anymore, yet 10 I can still break it down. 10 is simply 2 times 5, and now we are done. So simply I can represent my 60 as 2 times 3 times 2 times 5. There we go. So the number will be written as the product of all of these circled numbers, and we always prefer to write it in an organized way like this, like 2 times 2 times 3 times 5, or I can simply say 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5, and that's how we do it. Now, let's take another example. Let's say I want to do prime factorization of 120. What times what gives me 120? Well, since the number ends with 0, so it's simply 12 times 10. I can use this trick to help me do the prime factorization faster. The 12 is simply 3 times 4. The 3 I cannot break it down anymore, so I can simply circle it. And the 4, I can break it down into 2 times 2. And the 2's here are prime. I cannot break them down anymore. The 10 can be broken down into 2 times 5, and the 2 and 5, both of them are prime. We are done, and then simply I can say that 120 is made of 3 2's, 1 3, and 1 5, or I can simply write it in this way. Let's take another example, 54. If a number ends up with an even number like 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, that means it is divisible by 2. So I can say that 2 times something equals to 54. Now, if you don't know what is it, you can do the long division to find the answer, which is in this case 27. Okay, 2 here is a prime number, so I can leave it. And then 27, I know it is what? 3 times 9. Okay, 3 here is prime, I circle it and move on with the 9. 9 here is 3 times 3. Very good, we are done. There we go, that's the prime factorization. Okay, so the answer is 54 can be written as 2 times 3 3's, or I can simply say 2 times 3 to the power of 3. You know what, let's solve it another way to prove to you that it doesn't matter how we start. 54 is not only 2 times 27, it can be written as 6 times 9. Let's break them down. The 6 is actually 2 times 3, and both of them are prime, so I cannot continue from here. I'll continue with the 9, which is 3 times 3. Very good, there we go. I have 1 2 and 3 3's, which is the same as before, and that's why it doesn't matter how you start, you will always get the same answer. Let's take the last example. Let's say I want to solve 125. Okay, anything ends up with 5, I can divide it by 5, so I can simply say 5 multiplied by what gives you 125. Technically it is 25. And again, if you cannot do it mentally, you can do it with long division. 5 I cannot break it down, so I can circle it, and I continue with 25, which is 5 times 5. There we go, we're done. Nothing to break down anymore. And the 125 is made by the product of 3 5's, or I can simply say 5 to the power of 3. That will be it, guys, for this video. If you have any questions, don't forget to put them down in the comments below.